These are the components that are used to take a traditional impression using the NUVO system. This is the NUVO open tray, the NUVO closed tray impression post, and a standard tray with a closed side as well as an open side. This is the impression material we'll be using, including our heavy body material and our mixer tip. We will be taking an impression using this jawbone model that has 2 implants placed in it. This one will use the closed tray, and this one will use the open tray. We start with the closed tray, and it can be seen that this is for the standard platform. The hex is lined up in the implant. The 1.2 hex screwdriver is used for tightening. Here we can see that 2 of the sides are flat. The other side is rounded on the back. This should point toward the buckle, so you know that it is lined up correctly when you go to put the cap on top. The cap has an arrow indicator. This is the open tray, and it features the full name of the item. For the open tray, we are going to take the impression post and insert it into the fixture. With the impression post pin, we will screw the post into the fixture. Then take the 1.2 hex screwdriver to hand tighten the pin. Again, here is the closed tray, and here is the open tray. The heavy body material will be applied to the tray as well as around the 2 posts. Once again, this is a closed tray impression post, and this is an open tray impression post. We will take this mixing tube and place it on the end of the heavy body material tube. The material mixes as it moves through the tube. We then place it on the tray. Next, we place it on the model. The closed tray can be covered completely so that the cap comes off in the material when the impression is made. Now we unscrew the open tray impression post pin to remove. We remove the tray to see the closed tray impression post still in the fixture. And the purple cap and the open tray impression post is locked from inside the impression. We are using the 1.2 hex screwdriver to remove the closed tray impression post from the implant. Now we will use the implant analog for standard platform. We are attaching analogs to each impression post. We are taking the closed tray impression post with the analog into the impression, and that will snap into the purple cap. Now we're taking the open tray impression pin and putting it through the open tray impression post and attaching the analog onto the other side. You will again use your 1.2 hex screwdriver. If you turn it over, you can see the screw, so you have the analog in the open tray. From here, the stone model can be created.